Dr. Sagar Chavan, sir, are you there? Dr. Sagar Chavan, sir.
Hello. Hello.
Hi, sir. Good morning, sir.
Good morning. Yes, I'm
We
here.
were waiting for you to join.
No issue.
Okay. What we'll do is we'll start with the session with your introduction because people will keep on joining. So it's
Yes.
already 11. So we'll start.
Okay, no problem.
I will just ask my colleague, Professor Amadam, to please introduce you first and then we'll continue, sir.
Okay.
Yeah.
Bori ma'am, shall we start?
Yeah, please.
Okay. First of all, a very good morning to everyone present here. It gives me immense pleasure to introduce the distinguished resource person for today's first session of our 1 week faculty development program on artificial intelligence in management. We are honored to have with us Mr. Sagar Chavan sir, who is currently the head of the Department of Computer Science and Engineering at Sanjay Godawat Institute. Sir is currently pursuing his PhD in computer science from Symbiosis Institute of Technology. With over 12 years of research, rich academic and research experience, Sir is a dedicated educator and an accomplished researcher. His areas of expertise include artificial intelligence, natural learning processing, and large language models, which are among the most impactful and rapidly evolving field in today's technological landscape. He has an impressive record of 24 research papers published in reputed journals, focusing on areas such as eminent LLM development, sentiment analysis, and data analysis. He has been instrumental in organizing and contributing to multiple workshops and faculty development programs on artificial intelligence, NLP, and emerging technologies, helping bridge the gap between advanced research and practical applications. He is also an active member of renowned professional bodies like ISTE and CSI, reflecting his commitment to lifelong learning and professional development. His dedication and contribution makes artificial intelligence more accessible and practical for both academic and industry. I once again welcome Sir, and without further ado, I would like to request Sagar Sir to take charge of the session and guide us. Please, Sir.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir. Start the session. So
Yes,
actually,
please start the session.
yes, madam. So we are in today's session. We are focusing on the how we can use AI, which is known as artificial intelligence, in our research, in business, in management, all those things. Means how AI can help us to just overcome our problems and help us to do our work in efficient manner. So I'll start my presentation and then I'll explain one by one. Hope so. My screen is visible.
Yes, sir, your screen is visible.
Okay. So today's the presentation will focus on the AI in research. So how the we can use AI tools and AI things in our research and in daily life as well as in business management and all those things. So let's start with the actual content. I just go through the this particular session, starting from the AI to how we can use the recent tools in our research journey, like a teacher, educator, or we can say it as a student as well, because students also need the AI perspective to their research and their study as well. So I just talk about the first of all what is AI. So as you see, AI is the ability of computer to perform the tasks. So using the AI, you can perform the task. You can do your work efficiently, and you can reduce the complexity. You can use the tool to make your work precisely and effectively. So AI can enhance, absolutely AI can enhance the speed where human can takes the hours to do that particular work in uh, hours, and using that AI you can reduce the work in minutes as well. Now, so you can also do your work in precisely and effectively without using human efforts by the use of AI. So artificial intelligence we can use everywhere. I thought someone's mic is on. I request them to please switch off your mic. So AI basically reduce your work very efficiently, and we can use the AI in every work, in every work of our daily routine, from our general life to our education to our research to our daily routine. So that is the AI. Next, I just talk about the where we can use the AI. So in lots of fields available, you can use the AI very efficiently. So AI actually is a technical field, as some of the students also join over this FDP. I getting the information from the organizers. So how AI is technical, but you can use that particular AI concepts for the business perspective, and management perspective as well. So, for example, I just told you to AI you can use in supply management, AI use you can finance, AI you can use in HR management as well. So there are lots of fields of business management or management field there, very close to the AI, and you can use the AI in perspective of that particular field as well. So we talk about something about some technical aspect of the AI. So AI you can use for the predictive analysis, which is very commonly connect with the business management. Then the second use of AI used to content generation. So content generation is in the form of you can generate the content using AI like text. You can generate the content, uh, uh, image content. You can content video content, any type of content you can create using the AI. So this is the in general concept where as we talk about the academics, as we talk about the educator, and as we talk about in perspective in view of student, you can create the your content required for your presentation. You can create the content required for your documentation, your proposals, your lots of things. Means there are lots of ways you can use the AI to do or satisfy your regular needs. So next, email marketing campaigning, you can use the AI. Then the e-commerce, which is very major large role of AI in e-commerce for getting your things done, to reach out the customers, to get the feedback from the customer and all those things. Then one another very interesting AI application is voice recognition, voice search optimization. So by the use of AI, you can do this some task like voice recognition, voice identification, uh, and you integrate AI tools to related with the voice modulation as well. So this is the some technical parts related with the engineering students or engineering field, but you can also use while you are promoting that particular thing with the connect with the your HR field as well. Then the artificial intelligence slightly or very much connected with the web design as well. So you can do the web designing and all those things using the artificial intelligence. Then online advertising is there, then chatbots is there, then personalized user experience. You can use AI for your personal use as well. So for personal use means you can do your personal task and all those things from the help of AI. So how you can use the AI for the personal task? So as you heard about recently, one another trend is trending with the AI perspective, which is Ghibli trade. You can transform your images, your personal images, to the Ghibli style images. So that is the like that's like you can use the AI for your personal use as well. You can use AI for the education field as well. You can use for your AI for the business perspective as well. Everywhere means as we talk about the AI, then AI is everywhere for everyone. So that is the thing for we can talk about the AI. Hope so you are getting my point over here. Then uh, today's actually main focus and main agenda is about to the research, how AI is used for the research. So we just go through the what is first of all research, and then how AI we can integrate with the research perspective, and how we can use AI in our research. So that particular thing you reduces your work very efficiently and very conveniently. So first of all, we just go through the some slides of the research. First of all, we understand the, what is the research, and then how we can we will see how we can use AI for the research as well. So if you talk about the research, then research absolutely we already everyone know what is research. Research is dependent on creation of new knowledge. Means when we are creating, when we are emerging new things from your content, then it's called as the research as well. So while we are performing the research, we use the existing knowledges to create the new creative things as well. So according to lots of study, the research is already based on the existing knowledges, and with already existing knowledge we can use to create or generate new things. So that is we can call it the research. So while we are pursuit of the knowledge, researcher journey is go through several phases. They are working on discovering and unraveling some complexities in the existing knowledge and creating the new things over there. So for that particular thing, research go through the starting phase to the ending phase, and in this particular journey, researcher faces lots of difficulty to discover some new things. So in that case, we can use the AI tools and overcome our problem. So how we can use the AI tools in that particular scenario, we will see in upcoming parts as well. So then we talk about the what types of research is basically we carried out. So first of all, in first phase, the research is classified into three main categories, which is application, objectives, and inquiry-mode research. So application research means where the it is also further classified into pure research and applied research. Objective research is classified into descriptive and exploratory research, and another also correlational research and exploratory research. And inquiry mode research is classified into two another category, which is quantitative and qualitative research. So this type of research is intended to what type of our viewpoint is this means our what is our problem statement and what is our problem definition. According to our problem definition and according to our main goal, we can classify our research into these categories, and then we can go through that particular categories to find out the exact things. So yeah, I'm not going to in depth of that particular thing, but suppose if I just take one example, which is related with the business management, which is then business management comes under the application type of research, where applied research is applicable. So you can perform your research using the applied research. So this is types of research. Then we can talk about how the research process is going on. Means how we can operate our research, start our research from first phase to last phase. So while we are started our research, definitely first question we can arises in our mind, what is our research topic is. So what is our research topic? So first we try to figure out our research topic. The research topic is related to which domain, should we focus on to evaluate something related to consumer, related to customer, end users, and then how that particular research topic is helpful to the user perspective. So that is the first thing which we try to work out. So the first question is about to develop the research topic. Then, after the research topic completion, we should go to the develop the research questions. So, what are the research question we formulate? Means using that research question, we are able to analyze what task we should perform in our next phases, and how that task we can evaluate, how that task we can perform to get our aim and our objectives. So the research question is very important in the journey of research. So if you able to phrase your research question prominently, then definitely it will help you to figure out the methodology and all those things in upcoming parts as well. So that is the very important and very crucial part of the research, to frame the research question. Then, after completion of research question, we come to the research and study the design, study design. So, I'm not aware. I'm not sure about the what type of study design will require for the management people. But as a technical people, the study design means research design is very important task in that particular scenario, where we can formulate what type of methodology we are going to use to complete our work. Means what type of experimental design, in that case of business administration or management people, we can take it as a what type of survey we can do, what type of um, uh, data collection we can do. So that is the comes under the study design. Then the next part of the research, which is called as the data collection, where you can collect the proper data for your research work. So is it in the form of taking the survey, is in the form of collecting the data from the internet sources, is in the form of already existing the study, where the all data available over there. So we can collect their data to evaluate, or otherwise we carried out our research in the further manner. Next step we perform that data analysis to figure out the some specific data and carried out data to produce some information, means insightful information. So here it is, the one main major task we can perform, which is major field comes over here, which is called as the data analytics. So data analytics field is very closely related with the management people. So you can perform the data analytics in perspective of finance sector, where the data analytics is very important. So if the data analytics you perform well, then you can figure out the very good things as perspective of your business, performance of the business, rise of the image, fall down of the image, business. So you can perform the finance things through the data analysis with the help of data analytics. Then the last and most phase in the research process is data draw conclusions. So here it is, we can conclude our research study, and figure out the what are the aim we achieved or not. So this is something like the research process, how the research process carried out through various phases over here. Then next we talk about, now the main question is over here, how AI and research, how AI we can combine with the research. So when you starting your research, you think about the AI. So because AI can help you out, not out, but AI can help you to reduce your work, help you in very critical conditions, and give you a very innovative techniques to pop up all the things to your research. So that is the main agenda of today's presentation and today's session, to how we can use the AI tools to accomplish the research. So why AI is very important in research? So first of all, the first thing is AI can help you to gather, organize, and interpret large amount of data easily. So you no need to go anywhere to collect the data from such sources and all these things. You can take the help of AI, and then that AI can work for you and give whatever you want at your place as well. So, what type of data we can perform over here? So, AI can help you in performing literature. Literature means the thing which you uh, previously worked, previously happened, previously done. So that particular thing you can achieve through the AI. Then AI you can use for the customer feedback. You can use AI to analyze the what is the market trend. You can use the data what is the scenario in particular sector. For example, if you talk about in finance, so what is the current situation of market in previous month or previous week, you can easily find out through help of AI. Also, you can use AI to generate the hypothesis, recommendation, and what are the opportunities in future research. So that particular some context over there, you can use the AI for the all. So these AI things we can we can work and we can take it that particular thing in mind when we are working on the research. We already talk about the how AI is helpful in research. So these are the some 5 points over here when we can use the AI for the research. Now, from here, we can talk about how we can use AI for the research. We are going to analyze some topics, some tools, and some of the tools how we can use to AI for the research. So, from here, I'm going to demonstrate the tools which very useful for the research. I thought in previous yesterday's session there are lots of tools you see, but in this particular session, these tools are in yesterday's tools basically related with the in general capabilities, in general things like ChatGPT and all those things. We will see the tools today's tool for in perspective of the researcher only. So the first tool is Google Scholar. You might heard about the Google Scholar. So Google Scholar tool is a very popular tool amongst all the researcher. This particular tool is used to indicate the researcher profile, how that researcher works in various situation, how their work in the various sectors, how many papers he published, how many articles, theses, books, and whatever he or she done his research in previous field, you can mention it out about the using the Google Scholar. I just show you how the Google Scholar you can use as well to display, otherwise to show your research work to the universe, otherwise you work. So basically, to show Google Scholar, you go to the just web and search for the Google Scholar. You will get the first link of the Google Scholar over here. Just click on that particular link. Those who have already account, it directly logged in with your email ID, which you use for your research and all those things, and then you should go with the that particular link. Else, you have to sign up, and it will create the Google Scholar profile. After creating Google Scholar profile, this one shows you my profile. Here it is, you can check it out your Google Scholar profile, and here like whatever the paper publication you have done it over here. Here it is, you can get all the link and references. One another example of Google Scholar, you can suppose if you want to search someone's profile and how he's. Suppose I just searching is my guide for the PhD, so I just taking his profile to show you. So Google Scholar gives you insights of all the details means whatever publication he has made till date. For example, suppose this is the paper he has published predicting stock and stock price index movement using the trend deterministic and data preparation using machine learning techniques. So this particular paper is published in 2015. Here is mentioned, and it is cited by the 1444 another researchers. So how you can get it, which one is cited, you can click on that particular index, you will get how many people's use that references and use that paper for their research as well. So you can get it these things from over here. So for example, I just show you one example. So this authors, for example, this paper is machine learning techniques and data for the stock market forecasting. This paper and this author uses the original paper and cite the paper in their research work. So this is the identity of one researcher. How many are using your work to for completion of their work as well. So this type of things you can first of all add in your profile and show your research to others. So this is type of Google Scholar profile you can create, and then you can show your work to the others. So in addition of this type of listing, you will get the citation over here. What is citation means? Citation means how many researcher, how many collaborator connected with you. So till date, here it is mentioning the count from since 2020 and H index, and these are the technical terms. I don't think I should explain over here, but you can use the Google Scholar to showcase your thing to the universe. Universe means what? How you are completely involved into the get involved into the things, and how your researcher, how your capabilities in research is you can show with the Google Scholar profile to the world. So it is best tools for a best way to showcase your results and all those things to the world. So you can everybody you can use this Google Scholar profile as well. So this is the first thing which I want to show you to you because it is uh, very important for as perspective of researcher. Then we talk about the second AI tool, which is very important, which is word-wise AI. So it is not used. Basically, it is not used in researcher only. It is not used for the research only. It can be used to everyone. It can be used to everyone in daily life. So student can use it, the educator can use it, and then the researcher can use it. So how word-wise AI we can use it to do our daily work and get it AI in our work. So I just give you insight of word-wise AI over here. I request you if you are able to do that particular practical hands-on with you, then you can do it. Also, if you have any doubt or if you have any query regarding the that particular tool or how we can use that tool, so you can turn it on your mic and directly ask, no problem. So word-wise AI, this particular tool. Just go to the Google, search for word-wise AI. You will get the first link. So I just give you introduction of this particular tool first of all, and then I can demonstrate the tool. So the word-wise AI, you can use this particular tool for the content creation definitely. Then you can use this tool for the grammar, spelling checking, and you can use for the synonymous. You can use that particular thing for the citation format, academic tone, adherence for scholarly articles. Then you can use that tool for the plagiarism check as well, means where you can call some from, you can do check the plagiarism of your content and show the authenticity of your content. So straight away we go to the demonstration part. So go to the Google, search for the word-wise AI. You will get the first link over here. Click on this particular link. I just want to tell you the first thing. While you are using the AI tools, you should first of all login is essential to use every AI tool. So do your login with your email address. Go to get started and go to the exact tool interface. So this is the interface. So now, how you can use the AI tools? See here, left hand side menu is here. In left hand side, you can lots of menus are available. Where is grammar checker is available, proofreader is available. You can proofread means you can check your content as well over here. Paraphraser means you can change the content of your writing into the another format. Translator is here, convert from one language to another language. Summarizer is here, agorism checker is here. Detector, AI detector means whatever things you are copied from the AI, it is copied or you are originally you are written that particular content. You can check it from AI detection as well. I just take some examples. So for that, I just make it the use of ChatGPT. For example, here it is. I just give you some data from here. Give some data about. So I just take it something like data like related with the business manual. So ChatGPT gives me a definition and key areas of the business management. And this suppose I want to I ask to create my presentation for the business management. So I created the content from the any model, any GPT model available over here. So ChatGPT is very famous. Then Perplexity is another model. I just go through that Perplexity model as well. So I just show you the difference between ChatGPT and Perplexity as well. So for Perplexity, here it is, the perplexity. It is also same as a chat gpt, but the major difference between the perplexity and AI chat gpt is very different. So I just show you. I give same prompt which I given to the chat gpt. I go to the perplexity and give it to perplexity. So there is lots of difference in between ChatGPT response and perplexity. You can say see here the definition which ChatGPT gives in a two line, where Perplexity given a broad definition. Also, Perplexity gives you references from where it takes the data to check the authenticity of data. In ChatGPT, there is no provision to justification, means how from where this particular data has been taken. So you can go through the perplexity. It's give you very detailed insights from where that data is taken and it is authentic or not, all those things. It also gives you a supplementary option over here. So it gives response in the text format. It gives response in the image format as well. So perplexity can do for you. See there here, it user response is in the form of sources from where it means what links, what data he has taken to generate that particular response and all these things, and what are the steps also that particular thing is mentioned over here. Give some data of business management. I just passing the phrase to this perplexity. After that particular thing, perplexity model reads these 10 sources and use your responses, and the response is like this. So now I just do this thing. I just copy these things and go to the now wordwise. So first of all, just paste it that data over here. It asks for the premium version because in free version you can do the limited task. So we need to delete. Okay. So now here, first of all, we go through the translator. So if I want to translate these things into the another language, just select the language. You can translate like in Marathi and then click on the translate. It will give you whatever content you copy over here, it give you in a Marathi text. You can do it from Google Translator as well, but this is the one-stop solution to do all things over here. Then this is copied text. This is the copied text. So I just go to the detector and press the same thing over here. It asks for the login. You just do your login. Okay, go to detector. I just pressed it same content over here. Content is too large. Here it is not available. Actually, it asks for the premium version, but I should show you this particular option in another tool. Then we can use the plagiarism checker. So plagiarism checker, you can check it. It is not available for the free version. So you have to upgrade to the premium. Then you have to pay for that, and then you can use the all the services of the plagiarism checker and all those things. But you can similarly you can do that particular task from the another freely available tool, which is Quillbot is there. You can Quillbot tool is available freely. I thought that particular tool you seen yesterday, it is very authentic and it is very easy to use tool. So you can use that particular tool like this. See here, this is the result. So I just copied that particular text from the perfectly 10 chat GPT. I just pasted over here and it gives you a result. 100% text is likely AI, means you can take it that particular text from the AI. AI means AI generated content is there. So it is not authentic content. So you can check it like this. Then another is paraphraser. Paraphraser tool is, it is quite simple. You can paraphrase the content, means you can change the tone, you can change the fluency, you can change the its writing sequence and into the another. So this is the original. If I just click on the paraphrase, I get it new content automatically. It changes, but it does not change the meaning. It changes the only content. So for example, suppose business management involves the planning, organizing and directing, the controlling and organizing resources including people, finance and operation over here. So it changes to this text. So you can paraphrase and you can skip the that particular AI detection like this way. So you add your tone in that particular thing and get it the original content, but still there are no way to caught by the AI detector. So if you don't want to caught by the AI detector, then first thing you have to do, you definitely need to add content from your side in that particular content. So there are lots of tools available to make that particular things humanize. So you can use that tools as well, but that is not authentic way to complete your work. So my suggestion is that you just add your content to that particular thing to complete your research as well. So that is the for second tool, which is word-wise AI. You can summarizer, you can use the summarizer to summarize the content. Paraphraser we see, proofreading, grammar checking, all those things you can see like this using the word-wise AI. So this is the second tool. Then we talk about the very interesting and very popular tool amongst all the researcher. Among all the researcher means it is very much useful tool for every researchers typeset.io. So this particular tool is used to create the content generation for your research work. So directly we go to the what we can say for the demonstration of how that particular tool is used for the research content, means how we can use that particular tool for the writing the research proposals, how we can use that particular tools to writing our content for our research papers and all those things. So for that purpose, same thing is there. Go to the Google first of all. The typeset.io is now identified as a sciencebase.com. Means previously it is called as a typeset.io. Now it is called as a sciencebase.com. So every researcher, it is very wonderful platform for the every researcher. Am I audible to all? Means I'm not able to see the your screen. Am I audible to all?
Yes, sir, you are audible.
Okay, okay, thank you. So this SciSpace, this website is very important and very means we can use this particular website for our research work very efficiently. It reduces, it gives you a very important task and important things to your research work. So I just go to the some of the options which is freely available. So that first option is AI writer. Okay, so you can create the content using SciSpace. I just took one example, like a research proposal on. Suppose here I am mentioning uh, like this, and I click on the generate. It will give you a content within a fraction of minute. See here. Research, I just give a topic research proposal on the business management for ITs, which is in the IT industries. So it gives you a content background of study, importance of business management in IT, current trends in business and management. In literature review, overview of business management, application of theories in management, research objective and all those things, methodology. It gives you a outline, म्हणजे proper outline for your research proposal. Now if you want to description of this particular thing, you can go to every means any GPT model like chat GPT, perplexity and all those things. So it gives you outline, and then you can easy to make the content within minutes, and you can reduce your work like means you can do your work when we are going to write that particular content as your own manually. It will take weeks and months as well. So you can complete your works here like this way. So you can get it the content from any GPT models. You can get it the content from OE here as well as. So I just like importance of business management IT. Suppose I just go to the once again AI writer, but it is actually asking I already used this. No problem. it will take some time to generate the content because it need to work on some papers already published on that particular topic, and then it will analyze the data and gives you data. Now when I just asking key benefits of implementing business management, so it will work on the five papers. Which papers are also listed over here, and then it gives the response like this. So what type of response he will getting from the which type of journal, it also mentioning over here. So this is the paper, and use from this paper it takes the this content. So management in IT organization. So this type of paper he analyzes first, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seven, and lots more paper. So like this paper analyzed by the size space and gives you a content. So you can take it all the content. See here. So you just copy this content from here, and whatever proposal you want to write it, just paste it over there and just add your content in this particular content and get it done. So you can, like this way you can easily work with the AI tools to get it the content done and your work done. So here paraphrasing is also available. Then citation generator is very excuse me for, just wait for a minute, I have. So citation generator is very another important tool, important option you can use. Means you can create the citation for your work like this: the journal type, journal name, date, contributing author, editor name, volume, issues, pages, URL, DOI, publisher name, and extra. So you can create the citation for your content. So just copy paste your content over here, it will create the citation like this. So you can use this citation in your research work, in your references as well. So this way you can create the citations for your research work and your paper as well. AI detector is also available over here, you can use it. AI detector, lots of options available in the market to uh, work on the this particular content. Means AI detection, and how we can use that particular content to your work, and how you can minimize your work complexity. So these are the options available, lots of options available. So this is all about for the size space. So this is very interesting and uh, very popular tool, very popular interface available over the internet to use your research work, to reduce your research work. So you can try this at your own when you have the time. Otherwise you can use it right now, and if you have any doubt regarding this particular tool, you can ask it in between this session as well, no problem. Then we move forward to the next tool. So Quillbot, I thought this particular tool is covered yesterday, so I'm not going to. Also, I just give you a sample insights in the previous tool. Then next is a research rabbit. It is a web application actually. It is not a web tool, but it is designed by the use of AI as well. Means using research rabbit. This is the web application that allows you to explore scientific papers quickly and efficiently. So, for example, you can search any type of paper, means previously published, because paper publication is very important. Sorry for the interruption. So the Research Rabbit is a web application which helps a researcher to find out the research paper quickly and efficiently. So we'll take the demo as well, demonstration of the Research Rabbit as well. So Research Rabbit actually very useful tool to find out the research paper. There are some another tools and some other website is also available to do similar task, but all of the Research Rabbit is optimum option. So let's take about the Research Rabbit. See, this is the website. So still you need to log in. First of all, sign up here. Okay, so this is the UI of the Research Rabbit. So first of all, you can add paper over here. Means whatever paper you have, you can add over here. So suppose you can upload the files as well, and I just take one example. Suppose this is one type of paper I have. I just copy the name of this paper, go to research of it, just add, and then click on search. So it will give you whatever paper listed for the that particular topic, otherwise match the topic. The comprehensive overview of large language model, then comprehensive overview of second paper, third paper, fourth paper, fifth, sixth, means the all paper available as per your phrase, it will give you over here. So you can add title, you can add DOI number, you can add PMID, or you can add keywords as well. According to your search phrase, it will use your paper. If you click on the add collection, it will add it to your collection, and then you can work on this paper. So this is your paper. You can remove it from add another paper. You can click out the thesis author, means what are the authors of this thesis. So these are some another options is disabled over here, because we are once again we are using the free version. So in free version there are lots of options, they are not given to work on that. So you can, if I have the another version, if you click on the similar work, it will give you papers which is related with the similar work of this paper. All references, you can get the references, or all citation you can get the citation from here. If you click on the one of the author, you will get the details of the author over here like this. So this is very wonderful tool to work on all the research paper using the one similar type of phrase like keywords and all those things. You can add multiple papers like this. So this is the research rabbit tools is a very depth tool to find out the papers related to your research work. You just upload phrase, otherwise you upload the one key over there. You can find out all the papers related to your work using this tool. So one another alternative solution for this tools is also available, which is connected paper. So connected paper, using connected paper, you can find out same things, but we will see in latter part over there. After research rabbit, we move forward to the next tool, which is chat PDF. So chat PDF tool is not used by the researcher, but it is very helpful for every, means it will helpful for teacher, it helpful for student, it helpful for business analyst and all those things, because these tools use your flexibility to chat with PDF, any PDF, chat with any PDF. So we go to the demonstration directly. So I just use this paper. I already downloaded it. Go to the website chat PDF. So this particular tool is used to work with the PDF files. Means research papers already written in lots of pages. Like for example, a research paper is having more than 10 pages, 15 pages, 20 pages, and more than that. So suppose in that case, suppose if you want to get the summaries from that research paper, if you want to take something like informative information within fractions of seconds, then you can use this chat PDF. So this type of PDF chat PDF tool is very useful for the research paper as well. Otherwise, any type of data which you have and you have to analyze the data within, get it the summary of that data within fractions of seconds. So I just show you the demo how you can work with this tool. Just upload the PDF. I have uploaded this PDF. Now you can ask anything to this PDF. It will give you a response from the data available in this PDF. For example, suppose it also mentioned over here some sample question. So here it is sample question already given. How do improve training strategy impact on LLM performance? Otherwise, I just typing over here, give me summary of this paper. If you write it and just pass it, it will give you a summary of the paper. See, summary of the comprehension. It will give you how many pages? 47 pages available in this particular paper, and it will give you a summary within a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 points. So how it gives? This is the introduction part. This is background. This is the architecture training, evaluation, challenges, emerging trends, and conclusion and overall. So instead of reading this 47 pages paper, you read it this summary and you get understand what type of this paper, and then if you found this particular work with your research work, then you should go to the next part in detail of this paper. So you can take it very comprehensively and very easily, that type of work done by the chat GPT. So this is the research type of work, but I just show you one another beauty of this particular chat PDF work. I just upload a sample file. I thought it is a browser of this particular FDP. Yes, this is the particular FDP browser. So I just uploaded this, and I just want to, what is the aim of this FDP? I just pass in this page. See here, see the magic. It just figure out the content, it analyze the content from the FDP, and it gives a what is the aim of this FDP. The aim of this FDP is empower management, faculty, and knowledge for artificial intelligence concept, tools, and their practical application across the various management domains such as marketing, finance, human resource, operation, all those things. So easily, instead of reading the all the content, you just pass the your question, you will get the. Then who is the organizer? CA. The organizer of FAP is SVERI College of Engineering, Pandharpur, Special Department of MBA. The program is organized in collaboration of Health University, Malaysia. And it is a very authentic and accurate response. Now, organizing committee. You just forget about the spelling mistakes and all those things. It will take care of that. It is. Here it is. Organizing committee. Who is the organizing committee? Here it is. All the details of organizing committee with the contact details. So you can work, otherwise you can use chat PDF tools for your daily routine. Means you can use in your finance as well. Suppose I don't have the file of the finance and the specific question, else I can demonstrate your queries as well over here. Suppose if you have any queries like, sir, I want to do this particular task and all those things, just tell me, I will try to do that particular task as over here. So you can work with the chat PDF very efficiently, because I thought we work with the PDF files in our daily routine very regularly. So in that case, you use this particular tool to overcome your work, otherwise overcome your problems and get it solution in within fractions of seconds. Hope so. I got it. You all are got it the point of chat video. You have any doubt, then you can ask for it. Otherwise, you can put it the message in the message box. I'll try to resolve that queries as well. So this is the chat video. Then we should move forward to the next tool, consensus. So these tools, it is same like a previous tool. Which one? Research rabbit. It is work for the it is work for, it is helps, it is a work like a AI research engine, AI search engine that helps researcher to find out the relevant papers, which is we already seen in the research rabbit. This is the alternative solution. You can go through, you can explore it. Just go to the Google. I'm not getting all the, I just show you the, this is the website. So just add topic over here. Just I just add my topic LLM. Otherwise, management, and just search. It will give you related papers with your phrase management related paper, and some information about the management as well. So likewise, you can work with the consensus web application to get it the data from the some already published papers. So this is same as a research rabbit. So I'm not spending time over here, because we are need to complete another few tools. Then elicit, this particular tool is helps us to produce a research procedure without the specific, means you can work with this particular tool to get your information. It is actually research assistant, and it used to automate the research procedures without specifying keywords matches. It locates the relevant article to extract important information. Like chat PDF, it is similar to chat PDF, but some of the specific provision in this particular tool, like exploration exercise, including summaries and text order, logical sequence, vocabulary, and all those things in this particular tool. It is same as a, not same as a, but it is do work like a previously tool. So it works with the literature review automation, Then it used to generate the concise summaries. Then information extraction like chat PDF helps with brainstorming. So you can ask the question and all those things to the illicit. So this type of work you can work with the illicits as well. So just go to the. So this is the illicit you can use for the analytical research paper and all those things. Here it is same procedure once again. You have to sign up first of all. Best way to sign up with your Google account. It will save your time, but be cautious while sign upping to unauthorized websites because it will take the all the data name and all those things. So just be careful about it. It is asking for the payment, but no need to do payment. Just select basic. It is freely available. Here it is. So same. Otherwise, I just passing the phrase as a human resources. It will give you a related papers with the human transforming human resources into capital, human capital, management human resources. So this is quietly related with your domain. So this paper you will get. So what is the citation, the content of the paper, and all the things you can search it from over here. If you upgrade the version of this particular thing, you will get the papers downloaded and you add to your library. So this paper is same as a research habit and which we previously see. Then next is open read. I thought it may be a second last tool. No problem. This is the OpenRead tool. OpenRead, it is a AI-powered platform which helps user to analyze, organize, and interact with the various literature formats. It provides a fast and intuitive way to access the interact with the papers. It is uh, this particular tools works like a QA system, question answering system. So we'll go to the open read. So this is the open read. Suppose I pass the one another topic from the management like challenges in supply chain management. I just pass this phrase. Here is UI is very different rather than all the available UI. Here mentioning the paper name, the authors, and the citation over here. One citation like this and some of the where when it is published in journal and all those things. Click on the content. You will get the details detailing about that particular thing. This is the paper. This is the original paper which is published in the journal of mentioned over here, and then you can take this paper for your work or work with this paper to your research work. So this is the one paper, but you can get it the all the paper listed over here. See, like related with your trade challenges in supply management. So these already all papers listed over here is related with the challenges in supply management. So you can take it this paper and download it and pass to the perplexity, otherwise pass to the chat PDF and take it answer from here. So you can work very easily with the uh, these particular types of tools and these particular types of AI to accomplish your task and accomplish your research. So this is very important and very authentic tools we already seen over here. But still, there are some tools we need to analyze because these all tools we already seen which is related with our AI work, but here some of the tools I have mentioned over here, which is litmap, then semantic scholar, then sciencebase we already seen, then paperpal is tool is available to write the content and demonstrate that content with your work and all those things. Sci-Hub is there, connected paper I also called. Mendeley is very important and very popular tool for the citation generator and all those things. So these are the some tools amongst all the tools, quite 12, 30, 12 from here, semantic scholar, sciencebase, paperpal, sciencebase, connected paper, and Mendeley is related with the all amongst tool which we already seen over here. But one another tool is remaining, which is litmap. So the litmaps is here it is, litmaps. So this particular tool, how it works, I'll show you. I just type one type of key. So I just take one another paper. I just take it the random papers uh, for the just for the sake of references only, because we don't have the specific papers. So I just take it the papers. So what paper I just take it? I just take it this paper, Jiang, and integrated impact of blockchain technology on the supply chain management and the logistic industries. So I just take it that paper. This particular website I gives you all the connected paper with this paper. So see here, it will give you a visualization graph. So the first paper is Rafiq, here it is, which towards the smart energy sharing in micro smart grid adopting the SDN approach. So this particular paper uses the citation of Jiang 2022. Then second, this third, and how the paper is interconnected with each other. If you click on this any paper, that particular paper is how connected to another papers. It will show you over here like this. See, this is the scenario. Means you can easily find out graphical way to connect the papers. Graphical way to connect the papers. So it will give a just like what we can say, it gives you insights of the all the connected papers. So this is the litmap tools, you can visualize how paper is connected to each other. Then here we already completed all the tools, so I'm not going to each of the tools because it is quite similar to already the tools which we already seen before. So we'll proceed forward then. Uh, till date, the tools which we seen, it is quietly related means theoretical concepts too. Theoretical concepts means you can use that particular tools to content creation, summary generation, paper formation, paper downloading. So for all the tool we are used. So now here are some another tool which we use for the visualization purpose, like Canva. Canva, you can heard about the name as well. So Canva tool is used for the creation of the diagram. Lucid Chart is for the chart. Microsoft Visual, it's used for the chart. Matplot, it is for the graphs. Inkspace for the diagram. Napkin AI for the all visuals. So these are the options available. I'm not going to cover all the tools from the list over here, but I just take it the one of the very popular tool from the list as well. So the napkin AI will take. So how napkin AI is used for to create the diagrams and all those things, we'll see. Here it is. Actually, now the tools we already seen it is for the content creation. Now this tool is different than that particular tool because it is used to get visuals from your text. You just type the text, it will create the visuals. For example, let's see one simple example. Once again, need to sign up. Okay. So I already use this particular content. So I just create a new blank napkin. Okay. I just give one example. I just give example. Okay. Now you can analyze this image here, which we uploaded over here. You can go to the styles and you can form the styles. You can choose the styles from here over here. You can draw the content from the list. You can use the content. You can customize. You can customize the content. You can use the color palette, fonts like this. See here. So you change this. You can change the font. You can change the color palette. You can add the content. So So this type of themes you can create using the napkin AI. So this particular tools is used to create the visuals from your text, and you can create the visuals from just passing the text from these tools. Then another usage charts. This is not a usage chart. This particular website is actually used to generate the same like which we previously used by the napkin AI, but it will create the flowcharts instantly for your work. Start preview. Okay, so using this website, you can create the diagrams, you can create the flowcharts, you can create the mind map or charts as well. So I just take one example of flowchart. Okay, so this type of charts you can create easily. So here it is, charts, process, documents. No need to do this. So now using this tool, you can create the chart like this. So you can add the content from here, flowchart content, which we will require. And this is very precise content, and this is very precise format to get the content from here and draw the content as per your need. So as per your basic need, you just drag and drop the content like this, interconnected that content. You can you can add the content and make the diagram very easily. So you can often create this particular thing from the Microsoft Word as well, but it will use your flexibility to work with lots of available symbols over here. You can generate it with the AI as well directly. So suppose it is available or not, I don't know, but I just give simple prompt to this particular thing. Let's see what it will do. See, I just pass the very easy driving. Give me a flowchart to drive a car. It will give me a flowchart. See here. Here it is. Start. Then check if the car is in working condition. If yes, is the car in working condition? Yes, go ahead. Is no, then once again start. Then insert in key in ignition and turn the car. Adjust mirror and seat. Fasten seat belt. Select the gear and start driving. Follow the traffic rule and drive safely and end. So this type of charts you can easily create. So if you need any modification in the diagram, you can do it as well. So like this way you can create the diagrams, flowchart using this particular tool, which is very easily available, and you can easily create as well. So any type of, you can draw it at yourself as well, otherwise you can create the using help of AI as well. So you can create it. So this all tools are related with the visualization purpose. So these are the one another list is here, which is freely available. Quillbot is there, paraphraser.io is there, refresh.io. So you can paraphrase your content to uh, authentic content. Now I'm coming to an end. Before coming to an end, I just give you some very important aspects as a researcher. Uh, so first of all, I'm go through the content. First of all, if you work with the research, then first of all you need to set a clear goal. You need to set a clear goal, because goal gives you a clarity to your research. So the first thing, you need to set a clear goal. Then second, you should do your network actively. Means don't worry, it is casually your network gives you a flexibility to work in a collaborative manner and do your work very easily and efficiently. Stay organized means you need to organize your work, you need to place your work in proper manner, you connect all the work in sequential manner, so you can get it done, you can get it the work done very easily. Read widely means you need to get the content, you need to read anything, everywhere, every time, because reading gives you flexibility to how to work with the your research and get the insights from the papers and all those things. So read widely. Then seek for feedback. After completion of every work, just ask for the feedback. Is your work is very efficient or not? It's understood to uh, students and educators and all those things. So just seek for the feedback. It will helps you to improve your work. Then attend the conferences, attend the workshops, seminars, FDP. It will give you insights. It will give you a large perspective to see words, how the research is going on in the world, and new innovative techniques. Prioritize self-care, engage in collaboration, be adaptable, and celebrate the small wins. So these are the 10 points which you need to follow while you are working on the research. So if you follow these points, then definitely I'm very much sure you will do your research work very promptly. And with this particular content, I just conclude my session with this particular and popular phrase. So artificial intelligence is not a substitute for the human intelligence. It is a tool to amplify human creativity and ingenuity. So while we are working with the artificial intelligence, you don't rely everything given by everything given to you by the AI. Definitely, there need to touch of human intelligence. Without the touch of human intelligence, you will not be able to do the authentic work. Use the authentic work, use the AI, but for the authenticity, play your role, put your role in the AI as well, and use the AI very efficiently and very effective manner. So this is all about from my side for the tools and research. Hope so you all are getting all the content and all the which I intended to pass over to you. If you have any doubts and any query regarding this session, you can ask. I am open for the question answer. Thank you.
All participants, if you have any questions, please you can ask your questions or you can post them in the chat. Any participants who has any question? No questions? I think Dr. Chauhan, sir, we will close the session. It seems that everyone has got what you have presented. So I will come to the last part of the session, that is vote of thanks. We are very, very thankful to you, sir, because I know it was so much of last nth moment thing, and you rose to the occasion and you did it in such a beautiful way. I think all those teachers who are going to be researchers or students who are presenting papers, they will all be able to make use of this session that you have conducted, because lots of tools were presented by you. You have actually demonstrated how the tools can be used. So thank you very much, sir, for this informative session and for filling in the gap for us on the nth moment. I'm so very thankful to you on behalf of Department of Management, on behalf of SVERI College of Engineering, Pandharpur and Management. I extend my sincere gratitude towards you for this wonderful session. Thank you so much, sir. Participants, you can stay in the line. In the chat, your feedback form will be link will be pasted. Thank you, everyone. Thank you, Dr. Chavan sir. You may leave the session.
Yes, yes, ma'am. Thank you, thank you, thank you very much.
Participants link has been sent.